Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be reviewing the UGG Ambush collection. I did go ahead and buy 2 pairs, so we're gonna go ahead and style those together, see if we can come up with some outfits and just unbox them and see what they look like. So yeah, if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. So if you're not familiar, the Ambush fashion brand is a really cool Japanese style brand, and they did come out with a recent collaboration with UGG, and it consisted of some really cute loafers and some ballet flats. So I did buy 1 pair of each, and these are going to be the ballet flats. I love even the packaging is already slay, because the OG UGG packaging is normally like, you know, like that brown kind of like cardboard material, so you can tell they invested in the quality. These are definitely pricier. These ballet flats were $250. It does come with a dust bag on the inside, which is really cool to see. A little bit of stuff about UGG, and then the card says, I want the collaboration to bring comfort to the reality of everyday life. Personally, I love Mary Janes and loafers and wanted to create a more relaxed version of them with UGG. These styles are versatile and can match many looks from casual to dressy. So this is the creator of Ambush. The dust bag is pretty big, perfect for keeping these shoes clean. And then this is what the inside looks like. So it does come with the tissue paper, branded wrapping and everything. These are what these shoes look like. How freaking gorgeous are these? Like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Look at how gorgeous this little detail is on the side. I love that this clip is like this adorable little like silver heart. As you can tell, I'm a silver girly, so I'm very excited to see that the details are silver, and it's just one of those that like pops open and clips. It's a very flat shoe, so not much of a heel. It's pretty much just like a Mary Jane like ballet flat, and I love how the fur is incorporated into the design. I just feel like it makes it so unique and fancy looking. I just feel like I love a good accent piece, and I feel like these stand out, but they're also very wearable, you know what I mean? And the colors also come in pink for the Mary Janes. I did decide to go with the white because I feel like even like with this fit they could go, you know what I mean? Like I felt like they would pair with things a lot better. So I'm going to put these on, talk about how they fit, and then show you a little outfit that I would wear to pair with these. Okay, so these are what the shoes are looking like. Aren't they literally the cutest things you've ever seen? They're so freaking cute, and they're super, super comfortable. This is the fit that I would pair with it. I feel like having a cute little cream top or like a sweater with like some brown sort of like skirt vibes. Even if you did like a white skirt, it would pair super well, and I feel like it just kind of goes. I do wish this was a little longer because you can kind of see that my tights are coming up, but maybe if I wore like a little turtleneck or something underneath, you can kind of see how it just elevates the look. I feel like if I was just wearing some like plain black ballet flats, it probably wouldn't go as well, but very, very excited about these. I feel like they are just so dang cute, and I love how comfortable they are. These are the second pair. These are the loafers. Again, I love the box design, and then this one also comes with the dust bag, which is really great to see. And then the same thing, the inside has the logo sort of paper over it. Okay, so these are what the loafers are looking like. They're definitely a wild one. I just love, like, I feel like they are very unique. First of all, I love a loafer. Like, that's like one of my go-to shoes, and I love that the bottom of these are like the classic UGG design, because that means they're super, super comfortable, and they're not going to be like your typical loafer where, you know, you might have to deal with blisters or things like that. So I love the idea of these because I feel like I will get way more use out of them. And also, I'm just obsessed with the way that like the fur is literally exploding out of these. I just thought they would be really fun to style. Again, they're definitely a statement piece, and these did go for $225. I love the little silver piece on the inside as well. That's another great aspect, and definitely sticking with the silver accents. I love that. And then the inside, obviously there's this gorgeous little fur beard on the back of it, but the inside right here, obviously this part doesn't have any fur because this is the fur, all the fur you need, but the inside does have some black fur. So I love that because that means, you know, the whole shoe is gonna be cozy and furry and warm and perfect. So I just love stuff like this. I love furry stuff, and I think the loafers are so cool and like trendy. So why don't we go ahead and try them on, style them, and then we'll talk about how we feel. These are what the loafers are looking like. Very, very, very cozy, you guys. Like, I don't think I can say that enough. They are literally like the coziest shoes ever. It literally feels like you're wearing slippers. So I did decide to pair it with this outfit. I felt like, you know, it is a statement piece, but it does kind of just go along with the vibes of like a cozier elevated fit, I guess. But I do feel like you could just pull these off with just wearing like an all black fit and like a leather jacket or something, because I feel like, you know, they do speak for themselves, and obviously these pants are a little long so they don't show it off the best, but I do feel like it's a cute fit and definitely how I would wear something like these. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know which pair was your favorite. If you were to cop a pair, which one would it be? And what are your thoughts on the collection? I know it's very limited, but I personally love the styles that they came out with, and I just feel like they are the perfect accessory to kind of just like elevate an outfit, even if it's just like, you know, a plain jean sort of day. And if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it before you go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!